Let's set up the check if attack hits function. So I'm going to reference the GURPS method. What I need is actually a math dice 3d6.ts. So basically dice 3d6 is 3d6 check. So when GURPS checks everything, it will ask you to roll 3 dice or dices, I don't know, and if the number is more than your skilled level, it's failure, and then if the number is lower than your skill level, then that's success. So the larger the number is, it's failure, and then the smaller number is, it's success. But I mean, all we need is the function that returns the number from starting from 3 to 18, and then that will make the average to 10. But then again, 11, 10, 12, those are the numbers that you get the most, and then number 3 and then number 18, you really get them. Okay, so that's what the GURPS 3d6 is, and I think GitHub already knows it, and it's giving me the math already. So math round 6 math random, math round 6 math run. Yeah, that's exactly what 3d6 is. That's one thing actually. And then the other thing is export const check 3d6. So check 3d6 is another function that I need. It's actually the target value, and if value is less than or equal to dice 3d6, then it's a success, and if not, it's a failure. But what it's going to return const roll is dice 3d6, right? And then okay, so if value is less than or equal to roll, then return true. That's true, but then it's not result is true, and then roll is roll. So you should always return the original number, because it is sometimes important to know the the original number that the 3d6 dice gave you. Else return false and roll is roll. So I think this function is also is also important. I think I'm going to be using it a lot. So attack target. So if the target hits the target, or attack hits the target, is so attackers, it's actually actor's skill, and then the skill that's related to the weapon itself. Because if you're good at using spears, it's best you attack with spears, and if you're good at using swords, attacking with spears would have less possibility of hitting the target, right? So we have to get the skills, and okay, so each equipment would have the required skills equipment. Skill to use, and that's string, and the original unit component. So where is it? Oh, actor, yeah. Originally, okay, so skill to use is sword. Spear. So attacker get level. Get level. I'm just gonna shorten the word level here because LB. Get level of the equipment and skill to use. Get skill level is attacker. Sorry. Get level. So okay. So unit get level. Sorry. Skill name string is a number. Skill attack skills find skill name object is possible. Skill level. Wow. Okay, so skills name sword level. Let's get that number for now. Spear. Unit component that will give your number. Skill level 0 is actually not possible. I mean, if you don't have the skill, there's always the default value for skill levels based on your parameters, but I'm just going to leave it for now. So 0 is alright. Okay, so attacker, so skill level and return what is it? Check check 36. Is it the term? Is it the term check, or what is the term to check? Like to roll, or right? So roll is success roll. Okay, so success roll is the name. So check 3d6 isn't really the name. It should be the roll 3d6. That would be the check. Okay, so roll 3d6. Oh, sorry, and that will be skill level result. That's true or false, right? Okay, so attack with sword. Skill level 14, that's hit. Perfect. And then the damage is 1.19. Yes. Yes. Oh, that's a success. Hit. Let's do one more time. Skill level is 14, but it's a miss. Let's do it again. That's another miss? Really? Skill level 14, still you get miss, huh? Really? That's another miss. Why do you keep missing? So that's always a miss. Oh, it's hit now, but it's completely missed. Dodge, miss. It's almost missed. Why is that? If the value is bigger, level is higher. If it's 10 is success. I think I was doing it wrong, in a wrong way. Okay, now attack with sword. This guy, level 14, 13, hit. 8, hit. 7, 8, 16, miss. Yes, so that's working. Now, what does this attack being affected?